Cooper with DSI Automotive, and today we're taking a look at the brand new PetSuite from Seat Cover Solutions. So this comes available in two different styles. There's a style for trucks, and there's a style for cars and SUVs. Obviously, I have the car style here. What this is made for is designed to protect your seats against the dirty dogs and also offer them 40% more coverage in your rear. It also holds up to 300 pounds. Let's take a look at the assembly process, the install, and the features. Unfolded, this thing weighs about 5 pounds or less, and as you can see, it has this nice silicone grip to the bottom of it so it will stick to your seats. Install on this is pretty easy. It can install in 5 minutes or less. So we'll unfold it here, like that. Make sure you want that grippy silicone side on the bottom. And then what you have here is a buckle system that'll go around the top back seat headrest. And then same thing for the front. You'll have a buckle system which can go around your driver's headrest. I'll do the same thing for the other side. Once again, this one around the back. And we'll tighten it. And same thing over here for the passenger seat, right behind the headrest. And we'll tighten that one. Now with the sides, they have a zipper here on both sides, so you can zip it up once the dogs are in. Once those sides are zipped, you can grab this strap, and this strap will just go to where you usually can hang the dry cleaning in your car, like that. And then you can repeat the process for this side. So there's those zippers. Grab this strap, just hook it up to that dry cleaning hanger. So as I mentioned, this can hold up to 300 pounds, so your dog or dogs should be fine, especially with this 40% added extra space in the rear. To show you, I'll just get on in, and I'll just chill out in that extra 40 space. I'm pretty comfy. Another great feature is the scratch-free material from your dogs on these seats here. Another great feature that the designers over at Seat Cover Solutions included was this pocket. So when you're loading your dogs in, you're probably going to the park, you're going hunting, you just gotta bring treats. So yeah, you can stuff those treats, frisbees, balls, hunting stuff right in those pockets. There's one on each side. This is from the driver's point of view now. So another cool thing is they have this mesh screen so your dogs cannot access you, but if your dogs are anything like mine, they have to be able to see you and kind of smell you. So you do have the option of zipping this mesh screen down. That can come up to you, and look at that, your dog's a part of the family once again. Deassembling is just as easy. Just remove that hook, undo the side zipper, unbuckle, unbuckle, unbuckle this one, and we'll unbuckle this one here. And you just wrap them over each other. It folds flat for nice storage. So you can literally just leave that right there or in your trunk, wherever you want. The PetSuite from Seat Cover Solutions is a must-have for pet owners, and it is available now.